Hello, Amirullah here. I'm a 3D/VFX artist based in Malaysia. I create 3D environments, 3D characters, visual effects, and also a little bit of 3D compositing. In this video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the new product from Actorcore, which is called Accurig. So basically what Accurig is an auto rigging tool that you can use to rig your characters. Best of all, it's 100% free to use. You can rig tons of humanoid characters that you created yourself or you obtain from marketplaces such as sketchfab and many more. Also, you can animate them in a few simple clicks. The benefits of having tools like this is actually helps many 3D artists bring their character to life without having to go through the rigging, paint weighting, animating process, which takes a significant amount of time. I know that these processes are not to be taken lightly, but sometimes you just want to have a fast, and Accurig is the tool to do so. Previously, I've sold my characters on sketchfab on a considerable amount of low prices. But now I can include rig and animations on my characters, which enables me to sell them at a much higher price. Here I'll show you the process of rigging a model with Accurig. First, what you want to do is open up Actorcore Accurig. So here you can see you can drag and drop your characters here. You can go through choose file or you can just search in sketchfab. Here you can see tons of models that were created by artists that you can download and use, or you can just choose file. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna choose my own characters and just let it import. Now once that's done importing, you can see there's a center line in the middle. You can adjust where the center line of the character is. Then you can just hit rig body and just let it process a bit. Now that it's done, you will have joints that is auto detected on your characters, and you can just look through it. You can adjust some of the joints if it's not at the right place. You can turn on symmetry so that the left joints and the right joints are moving in the same position. Just look through your characters, adjust a bit. Make sure you look from the front and from the side, just making sure all the joints are at the right position. Now once you're happy with that, you can proceed to rig the right hand. Here it also auto detects, but you just have to make sure all the joints are in the right place and the cone here is pointing to the right direction. Now rig the left hand and finalize character. And now your character is done. You can even try out other animations above here, such as this one. You can also go through other poses. You can test out the fingers. You can go to acting and try out the walking animations, see if it's all good. And another thing is you can use the pose offset to adjust your characters just how you want it. For example, maybe I'm gonna use the hand, I'm gonna use the arm, I'm gonna open the arms a bit. So it definitely all depends on your creativity, on what you want and what you want your characters to do. You can also find other animations on the website. Here you can see there are tons of animations you can choose from. You can buy, you can also choose the free ones. There are also a lot of free animations here. There's there's really a wide variety from what you can choose. Now once you're done, you can click export. You can export them into FBX, USD, and also iAvatar. And what's the good thing is, you can choose the target application on which software you want to use: Unity, Unreal, Motion Builder, and much more. But for me now, I'm gonna use the iClone 8. So I've brought the character into iClone, and you can see I can choose any kind of animation that's in here and just drag and drop to the character, and it's gonna do what the animation does. So this one's an idle. I can choose a walking animation or other kind of poses. So this one's a walking animation. Hit play. Or I can just use a more toon walking animation. So I want to use that animation, so I'm gonna export into FBX and choose the range of animations, which is, Accurig is definitely a great tool for me because it helps eliminate some tedious steps, which is rigging and animating certain movements. Compared to Adobe's Mixamo, Accurig's precision is much better and has an additional hand and finger on the rigs too. Also, Accurig's library is much more extensive and has better quality mockups. One more upside for Accurig is that it exports in formats that are supported by 3D software such as these here. I highly suggest you guys can try it out and see for yourself what Accurig can do. I'll leave the link below and let me know what you guys think of it.